back to my channel. That's what I always say.
I know, that's your opening.
It is. We are on a road trip to Etosha National Park because tomorrow morning we're going on a game drive. And the Etosha National Park has several different entrances around the country. Well, yes, it's a big park. So we're going in the entrance that's closest to my house, and it's called Okwakweo. So we're gonna stay at a resort there. They have a waterhole and everything. The reason that we're going is because my good friend from New York City and her amazing son is also here. They're visiting Namibia. My friend Anita, who used to live in Namibia. She came here as a Peace Corps volunteer, and we have known each other for a long time now because we met here in Namibia. So my husband is here, Lance is here.
Hey everybody!
This is Legend and that's Lance.
Say hi, Legend.
Hi.
Okay, so we will check in once we get there, and Shell is here. Okay, bye-bye. Oh wow, look at the giraffe, Shell.
Oh, I see it. I see it.
And the
wow.
Oh
Wow.
yeah, look, Shell, look at giraffe.
You see the giraffe?
Wow. Can we get out, Mom?
Oh, you can't get out.
Let's go. Mom, look, Mom.
Yeah, I see it. You see it?
Why they do
Oh,
it,
look at the
Mom?
giraffe, it's looking at us.
Wow. See the animals, Shell?
Okay, and then there's even the little...
Yeah, Mom.
Yeah, baby.
I did. Got a green one.
Okay. Beautiful.
Oh, they have a filling station.
I mean the water.
This is the water gate.
Okay. Okay. This is pretty.
I want to go in.
No, you're not going in the pool. Because it's cold. It's winter season. Wait. Don't go by the water. No, we're not going in the water, Shell. Wait. I'm not rescuing anybody today. Okay, I think they're waiting for us.
Looks like they're wait. Or I could be wrong. Oh my goodness.
Okay, it's real, like it really is. It's involved.
Mama, I can.
This is such an adventure.
It really is.
We in the bush.
Yeah, we really are. All right, we are here. I know.
We made it.
I know. Watch out. Okay. All right, so this is our chalet. Here's our bathroom. Namibia Wildlife Resorts. Okay, this is our, that's pretty, right? Simple, you know, basic. All right. This is our closet. Come out, Shell. Okay, you looking? Okay. Double closet, actually. Pillows. This is nice. This is really sturdy. I like this mirror. I would love something like this, to be honest. This is nice. You know? That's really nice. Come up. Okay. Let me hurry up and get the footage because Lance's going to mess up the room. Oh, mosquito net, right? Draped very beautifully. Yeah, that's a mosquito net. Some storage. We put our stuff in there. Some stuff for coffee. There's me. I survived Shell in the back of the car. That was testing. Hold on. And yeah, and then yeah, so this is the bed. There's an extra mattress over here. Oh, I love this. This is what I want to do. Hold on, I want to take pictures. Don't mess it up. This is what I want to do. This. Yeah, that's all. It's so simple. Like your mom literally made one of those for us. There's a heating. Well, I don't know if that's a heating unit or not, but is that bed frame design? That's nice. See that? That's really cute. I like that bed. That's a nice bed frame idea. Wow, I love that. All right, and that's our room. So the ceiling is all literally like. Well, they designed it with like reeds. You said. Yeah, that's nice. It's really pretty. Lance, how do you like it?
It's good.
What do you like about it? Anything in particular?
Like the mosquito net.
Okay. Luckily, it's the winter season, so there won't be many mosquitoes, if any, right? Yeah. So, how did the ride go here? It was, not too far. This is, you said, okay, how many for between Ucho and Ochivarongo? 60 or 40?
60.
Okay, 60 and 110. So this place is 170, about 170, just under 200 kilometers from where I live. The ride, it was me, my son, Legend, and then Shell in the back. So Shell was difficult, about halfway, which is amazing, which is interesting because when we go to the village, which is like 5-6 hours away, she did so much better. But just coming somewhere near home, it's like somehow maybe subconsciously she knows like, no, it's time to get out. So she was a bit challenging, but we are here now and I'm a bit tired. It's just, it can wear you out, toddlers, as parents know. Any parents that are watching, y'all know toddlers just wear you out. But anyway, all right. So it is about maybe 4 o'clock. So we are going to, we booked dinner for 6 p.m. We have snacks. And then in the morning at sunrise, we're going to do our safari drive, which the kids are super excited about. Lance and Legend are very excited. Oh, on the way here, I showed you the footage. We saw some giraffe, 3 of them actually. And springboks, that was really pretty.
Who's running on the street?
A what? A what?
And the animal that was running on the street.
Yeah. What kind of animal was that, Paulus? The one that Anita had to slow down for? Oh, a bird? Yeah. What kind of animal is it? A bird? You're laughing?
How could a bird... Why would a bird walk on the street?
I don't know. Well, he was crossing the street. He has somewhere to go, right?
Why they just fly?
Yeah, or they can also walk if they want to, right? So we just got to the Waterhole. Here's Shell. There's my husband. Look at the elephants right there. That is stunning.
In the waters.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5. One is even looking. I know. Shh.
Is it in the water?
I know.
Is it empty in the water?
I know. Okay, Shell, not too loud. There's a whole bunch of people over there looking.
Oh, wow.
Look at this one. It's coming over here like he's angry. I think Shell's making too much noise. Would he get annoyed because she's talking? Come. Okay. You're sitting? Come. Okay, come. Jeez. The problem is that Shell is like 2 years old and everybody else here is quiet. Except Shell. She's making noise. And everybody's kind of looking at us. And then like every time she talks loud, the elephants kind of look at us. Oh, cool, Shell. This is stunning. You see the elephants? Shh, okay, Shell. Shh. Shell, they don't talk. Right? I know.
They're like so still.
I know, like literally they just freeze.
Right, I wonder what they're thinking about.
And then this one is just like staring at me like, I don't think he likes me.
Right.
That's the feeling
That's
I get.
the male, right?
Maybe. Eek. Oh my god. That was terrifying. It was terrifying. What does that mean? If you guys want to see where I'm at and this actual spot, there's a live stream that I'm pretty sure is like 24 hours a day of here, of the Waterhole. And I'll put the link down in the comments section. But there is actually a live stream where you can just watch not only the Waterhole but other spots. So like a few days ago, I just clicked on the live stream and saw like there were a good maybe 25 elephants the day that I was watching the live stream, just here, along with zebra and giraffe and other animals as well. You can literally experience what I'm experiencing now from the comfort of your home. All right, we're here for dinner. We're by the pool and Shell wants to go in it, and I'm just like, we're supposed to be eating. We're sitting down to eat, but they sat us by the pool, and she keeps talking about, look at the water, I want to go in the water. So now she's walking around the whole thing trying to find the entrance. Shell? We need to go eat. Come on, we're going to sit down at our table. Come. Shell, jeez, where are we going? It's this way. If you want to see the pool, it's this way. Come, Shell, it's this way. Come on. You know, it's great that Shell's so smart, but like that also works against you. She's too smart. Oh my God, let me go get her. Shell, come over here. It's great that she's so smart, but then like she's a mastermind. So like she outwits me, and she's very set in her ways and what she wants to do. I can't think of the word I'm looking for, you know, but very, whatever that word is. So yeah, now I'm just following her, and anyway, we need to go sit down and eat. Okay. I don't want you falling in, okay? No, you can't go in because you have your clothes on and it's too cold, okay?